Welcome all. This is our lecture 20 and the today's topic is mediation. The mediation is also a process of ADR system in which we will try to settle any dispute or any issue between the parties without going to court. So let's start the topic mediation. Mediation is a procedure in which the parties discusses their disputes with the assistance of a trained impartial third person who assist them in reaching a settlement. It may be an informal meeting among the parties or a scheduled settlement conference. Okay, as in arbitration process, there is an third party that is called arbitrator. In the conciliation process, there is a third party called conciliator. Same as in the mediation process, we have a third party or a third person, third neutral person, that is called mediator. This is non-binding in mediation process. As like conciliation, this will only help the parties to settle any issue. Okay, as I told you, mediation is a non-binding procedure controlled by the parties. It means this process controlled by the parties, and the mediator is also chosen by the parties. Okay, or both the parties should agree on a particular third party mediator. A party to a mediation cannot be forced or accept any outcome that it does not like. It means there is no any compulsion to accept the outcomes. Okay, the parties can choose another way to settle their disputes. It's like unlike an arbitrator or a judge, the mediator is not a decision maker. Okay, the mediator's role is rather to assist the parties in reaching a settlement of the dispute. It means the mediator will not final the issue or will not final the dispute. This will only help the parties to reach out for a common decision. As a neutral person called mediator helps the parties try to reach a mutually acceptable resolution of the dispute, and the mediator does not decide the case but helps the parties to communicate with each other and try to settle the dispute. Mediation may be particularly useful when family members, neighbors, or business partners have a dispute. Okay, this will be helpful in these cases. Mediation may be inappropriate if a party has a significant advantage in power or control over the other. It means if two parties are in any dispute and the one party is more powerful, okay, or have some more resources, have some more powers than the other, so the mediation process will not be appropriate. Then they should choose any other process. They can go to court or they can use the arbitration process or any other process. As mediation is an interest-based procedure and the mediation is a confidential procedure. All the ADR processes are confidential. There's no doubt. So this is our mediation process. Prepare your good quality notes and study that.